Good morning, children. Today we will start exercise 2.5 and I will start from question number 8. Okay. So just see exercise 2.5 question number 8. Already question number 12 I taught you. Okay, I will start from question number 8 to till 16. Okay, any doubt you will ask me. So from each and every question, two numbers I will do. Okay, so that you will better understand. Question number 8. So as comparing to other numbers, question number 5th bit is a little bit difficult than the other numbers. Okay, first question number 8, bit number 2 I am doing. 8 bit 2, 8a cube minus b cube minus 12 a square b plus 6a b square, this one. Okay, try to understand this. This is we have to apply the algebraic identity to factorize this. So how can you factorize it? Here it is looking like a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this is a minus b whole cube. Okay, we have to find a and b. What is a here? What is b here? So let's find. This is 8a cube 8 equal to 2 cube and a cube, that is a whole cube. So 8a cube equal to 2a whole cube. So we got a. This is 2a whole cube minus b cube. This is b cube. A cube minus b cube minus. After finding a and b, we can write this one in the form of 3a square b or 3ab square. Just you see, this is if you write 3 2a whole square, this is a, so 3a square b equal to b. If it is happening this one, it's okay. So 2 2 is a 4a square, 4 3 is a 12a square b. Yes, this one equal to this one. Clear? Now plus this one 6ab square equal to 3ab square, is or not? 3a equal to 2a into b square. 3a b square. 3 to the 6a b square. 6a b square. So a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square equal to a minus b whole cube. This is 2a minus b whole cube. As you have to write the formula, you have to write here because you have to factorize by applying algebraic identity. So here the algebraic identity is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, that is equal to a minus b whole cube. This formula is applied here. So this is equal to a minus b whole into a minus b whole into a minus b. This is the factorization. Everybody understood? Yes, very good. Good. Now the fifth one I am doing. I will have this. Okay. Question number 8, fifth bit. 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4p. The same way we have to write this. How will we write? This is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. It is happening or not? We have to find what all. So this is the technique. You have to find a and b. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So if you find a and b, this one you can write in the form of minus 3a square b. This one you can write in the form of 3ab square. So a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, that is equal to a minus b whole cube. See, 27p cube, that is 27 is 3 cube, 3p whole cube minus 1 by 216, 1 by 216, 6 6 are 36, 6 are 216. So 216 is 6 cube. If you don't know, you can find 216. You will factorize 108, 254, 227, 39, 3. Okay, so out of 3 3s 1 3 will take, out of 3 2s 1 2 will take, 3 2s are 6. So 6 cube equal to 216. So here 1 by this is 6 cube, or you can write 1 by 6 whole cube, because 1 cube equal to 1. So this is 1 by 6 whole cube. So a cube minus b cube minus it is happening in 3a square b or not? Okay, 3a square equal to 3p whole square, 3a square b equal to 1 by 6. 3a square b in the form of 3a square b I wrote. It is happening 9 by 2p square or not? Just check. 3 into 3p square equal to 9p square into this is 1 by 6. Here 3 2 is 6. So equal to 9 by 2. This is p square. Okay. So 3a square b, that is equal to 9 by 2 p square. So it is happening. So this one equal to this one. So 3a square b form it is written. Okay. Now plus 3. This is in the form of 3a b square or not? 3a b square equal to 1 by 6 square. 3a b square. Just to check. 3 into 3p into 1 by 36. 3 3s are 9, 4s are 36. So this is equal to p by 4. So p by 4 is written, or 1 by 4 by p equal to 3a b square. In the form it is written. So a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square, that is equal to a minus b whole cube. So we can write a minus b whole cube, but you have to write anyway, because we are applying the algebraic identity here. So what is the algebraic identity we are applying here? You have to write like a cube minus a b cube minus a 3a square b plus 3a b square, that is equal to a minus b whole cube. This one is applied here. A minus b whole cube is applied. That is equal to 3p minus 1 by 6 whole into 3p minus 1 by 6 whole into 3p minus 1 by 6. A minus b whole cube, that's a minus b whole into a minus b whole into a minus b. I think everybody understood. Yes. Yes. Understood everybody? Okay. Okay. Good. 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 Now, go after question number 8. Come to question number 9. Question number 9. We have to verify. Question number 9. To verify. What is that? X cube plus y cube equal x cube plus y cube, that is equal to x plus y whole into x square minus xy plus y square. This is the formula we have to derive. We have to verify. So what we have known? We know what we have known. We know what we know. X cube plus y cube plus 3xy whole into x plus y equal to x plus y whole cube. a cube plus b cube plus 3a square 3ab whole into a plus b, which is 3ab square plus 3ab square equal to a plus b whole cube. We have known this formula because this is the formula a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab whole into a plus b. So the same formula I have written in form of x plus y whole cube. So x plus y whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab whole into a plus b. From here we have to find this one. Implies that x cube plus y cube, that is equal to x plus y whole cube. This one transpose will go that side, it will be plus, will be minus, minus 3xy whole into x plus y. Am I clear? Yes? Okay. So x plus y whole cube, here x plus y, you can take x plus y common, x plus y you can common, whole into here x plus y whole square. X plus y is taken, what is left? X plus y whole square minus x plus y is taken, what is left? 3x y equal to, this is x plus y whole into this one, x plus y whole square equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and minus 3xy. So that is equal to x plus y whole into x square plus y square 2xy minus 3xy, that is equal to minus xy. Very good. Okay. So a cube plus b cube, a plus b whole into a square minus ab plus b square. In place of a, x is given, x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y whole into x square minus xy plus y square. That is very good. That is derived. Same way, second one also you can do. That is x cube minus y cube equal to x minus y whole into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, understood? Everyone understood? Okay. Now question number after 9, question number 10, application of this one. Application of this one, question number 9. After question number 9, now question number 10. Okay, second one I am doing. Question number 10. Second bit, 64 n cube minus 343 pi cube. Okay, so this is in the form of, it is looking like a cube minus b cube. We have known the formula a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so 64, whose cube is 64, and here 373, whose cube is 343. Okay, so 64, obviously it's 4 cube. If you don't know, you can factorize this one to 32 to 16 to 8 to 4 to 2. Out of 3 twos, 1 2. Out of 3 twos, 1 2. 2 twos are 4. So this one is 4m cube. 4m whole cube. Same way 373. 373. If you factorize, it will be divided by 7, 7, 7. 7 into 7 into 7. You just find. This is 49 into 7. Okay, 343. So otherwise 343 you will factorize 7, 49, 7, 7. Out of 3 7, 1 7 you will take. Okay, so this is minus 7 and pi cube, 7 pi whole cube. Okay, so a cube minus b cube, so it will be a cube minus b cube, a minus b whole into a square plus a b plus b square. You have to write the formula here as a cube minus b cube, that is equal to a minus b whole into a square plus ab plus b square. This formula you have to write. Okay, that is equal to 4m minus 7 pi whole into, this is 4m whole square. 4 square equal to 16 m square. 16 m square plus 7 4 ja 28 m pi or pi m, 28 pi m also can write, plus 7 7 ja 49 pi square. This is the factorization of 64 m cube minus 343 pi cube. You can write like this. Okay, everybody clear now? Okay, now question number 11. Question number 11. Factorize 27 x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So this is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. But you have to find what is a, what is b, what is c. So this one 27x cube, that is 3x whole cube, 3 3 9 3 27x cube. Okay, plus this is y cube plus this is z cube, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus this one, it is in the form of a 3abc or not. So 3a equal to 3x to b equal to y into c equal to z. 3abc. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So you are right. A plus b plus c. The a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc formula here I am writing. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc formula equal to a plus b plus c whole into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is the formula. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c whole into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c whole into a square ac 3x a square plus b square plus zc square a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus a b is y minus bc y into z minus ca z into a equal to 3x. This is the formula applied. So a plus b plus c whole into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, so that is from a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So which is equal to, you have to write this formula also. Now 3x plus y plus z whole into 9x square, 3x whole square equal to 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. All this one. Okay, this is the factorization of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So here question is given 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz equal to this one. Understood everybody? Yes? Okay, good. Now the important question number 13. Question number 13. Question number 12 already I have taught you. Now question number 13. Question number 13. So if x plus y plus z equal to 0, so that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3x y z. So to show question number 13, what is given? X plus y plus z equal to 0. X plus y plus z equal to 0. We have to show. What we have to show? X cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. We have to show this. So how can we show that? Now we have known what we have known. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. That is equal to x plus y plus z whole into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. We have known this. That is equal to x plus y plus z equal to given 0. So 0 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. That is equal to 0 into something equal to 0, implies that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, that is equal to 0. So minus 3xyz will go that side, it will be plus, implies that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. It is proved, or it is proved. Clear? Everybody understood? Everybody understood now? Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.